Hey guys, today let's learn how to view TikTok private account videos. So if you'd like to go ahead and view the videos of a specific private account on TikTok, well, I don't really want to be a liar, but essentially if you'd like to go ahead and view this, one of the quickest and not necessarily easiest ways is to, well, we can't really follow this person if you want to go ahead and view them. So we do want to go ahead and view their account while they are private. So if you are friends with this person on other social media platforms, you may basically still view their TikTok videos if they have reposted those videos on their other social media platforms. So let's say that they have a private TikTok video, but they post those videos either on their Facebook story, their Instagram story, or either on Twitter. So if you basically are mutuals with them on other platforms, you may still have a chance of viewing their private TikTok videos through those. And that is basically the only chance that you're going to have if you'd like to view their TikTok videos while they have a private account. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.